In this Spotlight 9.2 video tutorial, we will review the implementation of subtitle files such as SRT, SSA, and ASS files that are compatible with Spotlight. And also we will go over on how to edit these subtitles to your liking. Here we have our video, and then we will go ahead and insert or import in our Terralogix SRT file. All you have to do is drag and drop it in, and then as shown, it provides you with the subtitles here. I'm going to take this back. So here, this is what you would have originally. It provides the keyframes for you for this particular subtitle file.
Real-time full-motion video is changing the way our armed forces engage in missions at home and abroad.
And so if you wanted to capitalize or make any changes to this particular sentence here, what you'll go ahead and do is go up to our advanced timeline view here. Go to the SRT file, and then here in the caption box, you can make your changes if you want to capitalize this, or if you wanted to add additional statements, you can do that. As you can see, as you're typing, the changes automatically goes into effect. Also, if you want to give this SRT file a different name rather than what we have here, you can also just do a right click in the window player here. Just do a right click, and then you can add keyframe, or you can give it rename it. So here, name, we'll give this edit name, and then as you can see, it took the changes here also. So let's go back, and then we will make our first change here, and we're going to go ahead and show how it is when we save it. So I'm going to capitalize this actually. Change this completely. Put that sentence here, and then I'm going to save this. You can save it to your product list, which is this section here. This is your product list, or you can export it directly to your desktop. And we'll go here. Alright, so here's our video that we just saved.
Real-time full-motion video is changing the way our armed forces engage. Real-time full-motion video.
And as you can see, open this up. It took our changes here for the subtitle. And that is how you make edits to your subtitles if you want to change it, and also if you want to change the name to it also.